Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll guide you through setting up multi-factor authentication for Splunk using Duo Security. Let's dive in. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, means you use more than just your password to log in. After entering your password, MFA asks for a second confirmation, like a code sent to your phone or a push notification to approve your login. This makes your account much harder to hack. Splunk supports two main MFA methods, RSA Security and Duo Security. In this video, we'll walk through setting up Duo Security MFA, which provides a seamless and secure way to protect your Splunk account. Before configuring Duo in Splunk, you'll need a Duo account. You can start with a free trial if you don't have one yet. Just go to the Duo website and sign up for a free trial account. Once you've signed up and logged into your Duo account, head to the Applications section and click Protect an Application. Search for Splunk, and Duo will provide you with an integration key, secret key, and API hostname, information you'll need for the next steps. First, log into your Splunk instance as an admin. From the Splunk homepage, go to Settings, Authentication Methods. From the list, select Duo Security, and then click Configure Duo Security. You'll be prompted to enter the integration key, secret key, and API hostname, all of which can be found in your Duo admin panel under the Splunk application you created earlier. Simply paste these details into the corresponding field and click Save. Next, you'll need to add your Splunk users to Duo. In the Duo admin panel, go to the Users section and click Add User. You'll need to provide the user's information, like their username and email address. Duo will then send an enrollment email to the user, prompting them to complete the setup on their device, either by installing the Duo mobile app or setting up their preferred method of authentication, like push notifications or phone calls. Duo will then send a text message with an activation code to the phone number provided. The user simply enters the code from the SMS into the Duo setup screen to complete the activation. Now that Duo MFA setup is done with Splunk, let's see it in action. Let's see Duo MFA in action from the user's perspective. First, I'll enter my username and password on the Splunk login screen. After submitting my credentials, Duo sends a push notification to my mobile device asking for approval. I receive the notification on my phone, and all I need to do is tap Approve. Within seconds, I'm securely logged into Splunk, with Duo handling the authentication process. It's quick, seamless, and adds an extra layer of security to my account. And that's how easy it is to set up Duo MFA with Splunk. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy Splunking!